this is the midpoint times the relative, so this is F times X. No, that's not, that's the midpoint times the relative frequency, yes, it's at 10%. So, you didn't really have, that gives me, that helps me to get the average. Then the cumulative relative, remember I just had to build this cell first, and then I add what I had on the previous line, and what did I add on this line? So I had the 10 and the 19, actually 2.9%. And then the cumulative frequency is helpful because if I'm looking for the midpoint, it's going to be halfway, it's going to be the 103rd. So that midpoint is going to be in this bar. I'm looking for the 100 and, nope, it didn't either. Yeah, it is, yeah, it is. This is, there's 77 at 85 and below. So the midpoint is going to be in the 94 bar. What's the lower boundary of that bar? It's, take 94 plus 85 divided by 2. Or it's halfway between 85 and 94. So that would be the lower boundary for the bar that contains the midpoint. Back here, there's a midpoint for group technology, group technique, group data. And you got to remember what these stand for. MD is the median, so it uses a two-letter variable. That's okay, as long as you know that. LN is the lower boundary of the cell that has the median. N is the total number of observations. CFM is the cumulative frequency of all cells below. And then the FM is the frequency of M. It's really, so there's my 4 variables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I go back to where I was, 19, I believe. I'm gonna copy that. And I'm going to just do this, and I'm going to paste this formula up here. Be careful that I, sometimes you miss that I. What's the interval? Anybody know what the interval is? It's not hard. It's 9. How do I know what the interval is? Integral is 9, right? So the way I'm going to get the midpoint though is I'm going to identify these things. So what's the lower boundary of the bar that has the midpoint? So the lower boundary would be 4.5 less than this, so it'd be 89.5, right? So LM is equal to, and you could actually get practice up there, equals that plus the midpoint plus the lower midpoint of the cell below it, and then put that in parentheses and divide by 2. the lower, that's the LM. The N was the number of observations, which is 206. I've already got it over here, so I'm not gonna put it down again. The CFM, I don't really like his things, but anyway, that is the cumulative of everything below the bar where the midpoint is. So I look for the cumulative frequency. It'd have to be 77. So it's the sum of all the 33, 20, 12, 6, 42. So that just equals to, just so I don't get confused and pick up the wrong thing, it's gonna be 77. And then the FM, what is the frequency of the cell that has the median? It's 43. It's equal to the frequency, this frequency, the 43. And then the I, again, you could get the I in a whole lot of places, but you get the I from half of the, subtracting 2 of these. So it's equal to one of these minus the next one. So that's 9. Now I've got everything I need to do the median. So the median is MD is equal to, I don't have to open parentheses, I just put LM in there. Equals LM, now then open parentheses twice. Take N, divided by 2, minus the CFM. Close that parentheses. Divide by the FM, those parentheses again, and then multiply that times the I. Oh, I do need a plus. That's where it got confused. So there's the median. And again, I don't need that many decimals, but I do need the decimal. Because the median is predicted to be not an actual value. It's halfway between the 103rd and 104th. But what I would do is suggest that you go down to something like that. So this would be the answer if I was doing the median for that set of data. I just picked one out of the sky to show you. One I happen to have a data set already in there. Make sense? Kind of?